So, today I'm unboxing a guitar. Or is it a guitar? I recently had Kevin Seibold from Krappy Guitars, that's spelled with a K, make me a custom musical instrument. It's, you'll see. So excited, and I haven't bought a new guitar in what feels like ever. So excited. Let's see what's inside of here. Ooh, wow, this is very well packed. I am impressed. Yeah. Get all this out of here. What is this? There it is. KrappyGuitars.com. There's only one instrument like this in the world that I know of, and it's in my house right now. I'm kind of shaking right now. I've always wondered how you ship a guitar. There's one headstock, two headstock, three headstock. My heart is beating like crazy right now. I'm so happy right now. Oh my god. It's real. It's actually real. It's in my hands. It's real. It's here. It's alive. It exists. It's really, really, really real. Oh. This is the Galaxian Trident. Oh my god, I'm just blown away right now with how amazing this is. So, what this is, single fretless bass for deep, heavy slides. This is a 4-string guitar. And obviously this hasn't been tuned yet. This is just fresh out of the box. And then this is a 4-string bass. I am blown away with how awesome this thing is. Alright, now I'm going to tune it. Plug it in, see how the electronics work. So we have 2 pickup selectors, 2 separate pickup selectors, 3 humbucker pickups, 1 under each. They're nice and low, so this thing is probably going to give some real high chirpy sounds. On the back, you can see spots for the electronics. Did an amazing job. The neck of these is all one piece that he made with I can't remember the names of these types of woods, but that is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is actually the cheapest instrument I've ever bought, surprisingly. And one single volume knob. So there's no tone knob for this. So whatever sound comes out of this is what sound is going to come out of this. Ooh, that is heavy. Cool, and it goes 2 full octaves all the way up. We've got 24 fret space slides on each one, and this cutout is, well, let's see, I normally only play up to about here anyways. This is about where I play up to. I don't really go up that high. Yeah, I go up octave, half. Oh, with the bass I can get all the way up. That's perfect. I am in love with this thing immediately. Just, it's so beautiful. He did such a beautiful job on this. Look at the color. Look at that. I'm so excited. I've never tried to play 2 stringed instruments at once, and now I get to play 3. This is going to take forever to figure out. But I am so excited for this. Oh man, and the headstock too. He absolutely got everything about this right. Everything about this is just absolutely perfect so far. I don't know how it sounds with the electrics running. So let's go down to the studio and check that out. Now one thing about this is it is heavy. This is heavy. This is solid wood. This is the weight of a big bass. Yeah, it's definitely got the weight of heavier than a bass, really. It's a real heavy guitar. How these pickup selectors work. This is all the way down. It's just picking up that and not this. If I put it in the middle, it picks up that and this split. If I put it up here, it picks up just this and not that. And if I have this on, it's picking up half of this and half this. And put it here. Cool. Yeah, so I guess let's start here. Thank you again, Kevin. It's amazing.